If you are thinking about cloud storage for your photos and videos, and if you want to make 100% secure your photos and videos in cloud storage, and if you haven't know about how to store your photos and videos in cloud storage, today I am going to tell you about Google Photos and how to use this. Google Photos is a photo sharing and storage service developed by Google, and it is safe and free to use. It can use in PC and mobile devices. Hello friends, I am Prajan Rai and you are watching now MISSIONTOP computer. Now let's start the video. First, now I want to show you how to use PC for upload photos into Google Photos. I'm going to open Google Photos website in Google Chrome browser. In Google Photos website, we can create many more options like this: movie, animation, or college, or album. So now I'm going to upload photos from my computer. Now I'm going to choose this one, photos, and I'm going to click on open. Now I'm going to choose high quality, and now you can see here the photo is uploading to Google Photos. Now you can see here the photo has been successfully uploaded to Google Photos. Okay, you can see here the one photo is uploaded here. Now I'm going to check how to share, how can I share to any platform from Google Photos. You can share many more options in Google Photos. Now I'm going to show you how to synchronize photos into Google Photos from mobile device. Now I'm going to show you my mobile screen, and I'm going to open Play Store, and here you can see I'm going to type Google Photos in Play Store. I have already updated Google Photos in my mobile. Now I'm going to open this application, and here you can see I'm going to change setting, turn on backup settings. Okay, now starting backup to Google Photos from my mobile. Now I'm going to stop backupping from my mobile into Google Photos. After complete the synchronize process from a mobile phone, I'm going to check in Chrome browser. You can see here the photo has been successfully synchronized to Google Photos. Okay, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. If you have any confusion in this video, please leave the comment in comment section below. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will meet with another video. Bye bye. Namaste.